So I never been sure about a signal like this one. As you can see, so lately I've been making trades with not really precise direction of the market. So I'm making a trade, but I don't know exactly the direction of the market. But today, the market is making it easier for me to apply my trading strategy. So guys, for those who are new to this channel, I'm making the same strategy on all my trading sessions. The strategy that I use is explained in the course in the description of this video. But for my students that already have access to my course, please go back to chapter 5, episode 3. There is some updates to the strategy. Please update yours as well. As I was saying, guys, if you start in small with just small capital, it's possible to start with less than $100, but making progress from that point is harder, right? To grow your account from 10 or $100 over multiple thousands of dollars, it's hard, right? So that's why you must start small, but don't stay at that small state or longer. Yeah, the second or the first trade. Yeah, let me just check. Yeah, a down position should be opened here. A down position. So now let's go down. So as you can see, I'm trading with $500. Usually I trade with less than $200, but today, since this signal is perfectly structured, yeah, it's making it easier for me to overtrade. So please don't do the same if you don't have a solid trading strategy. If you don't have a solid trading strategy, so for example, growing as a small capital account trader through day trading, particularly in binary options, as you can see, I'm trading binary options here, requires a well thought approach, discipline, and a very careful risk management plan. Because if you're trading, yeah, second win. Because if you're trading with, if you, let's say you have $100 on your account and you open in a position with $10, that means you are opening with 10% of your total capital. You are risking 10%, and that's too much. So you must have a very careful risk management plan, because binary options are high risk instruments and also high profit instruments where the outcome is a simple yes or no. So either you win or you lose. I'm just waiting for it. I will see a reversal. This means an uptrend here this time. So we opened here a down position, but now we should go and call. Keep it $500 and let's go up. So please start small and focus on risk management at the beginning if you're starting as a new trader. Risk only just small capital or small percentage of your account. When you have a small account, risking too much per trade can quickly lead to large losses. Like a general rule everybody knows is to risk no more than 1 or 2% maximum of your capital on each trade. For example, if you have $500 on your account, risk only $5 to $10. That's it. Also, position sizing is important. You must focus on your position sizing. Determine the size of your trades based on your risk tolerance. Keep the trade size small so you can like survive a series of losing trades for a longer period of time and still have capital left to continue trading. Great. Well, we still have few positions to open. So we already made 3 wins. We opened 3 positions today and we made 3 wins. I guess we should go up again because the market will create another or a green candle here. This one is going to be a green candle and it's going to be another $430. So as I was saying, guys, position sizing, risk management plan. Your goal at the beginning, your goal is to preserve your capital. Just think about small wins add up over time, so avoiding large losses is crucial to staying in the game. At the beginning, you're just focusing on not losing your full capital. You're not thinking about making money at the beginning, so just keep that on your mind. Also, use a good trading strategy. Focus on one or two assets maximum. Me personally, I focus on two. I focus on Euro USD and pound, and not too much pound USD. But most of the time, I trade Euro USD. So see, yeah, I guess now the market will flip and go down. We reverse. We see the reversal here. So we should go down. So a red candle is guaranteed here. A red candle is guaranteed. So as I was saying, specialize in a few pairs or few currency assets when trading binary options. Of course, when you have a small account, it's like better to focus on few assets such as Euro USD or like the popular ones. There's plenty of popular ones. Just focus on like two maximum two pairs or two assets rather than spreading yourself across many assets. Yeah. Let's go down again. So yeah, as I was saying, guys, becoming an expert in one or two assets allows you to learn their behavior and improve your decision making. You when trading with one asset or two, you'll be familiar with it and you will understand the movement of the market. You know exactly what the market is doing. You know what an uptrend is really an uptrend in this asset. There's differences between an uptrend on pound USD with the uptrend of on Euro USD. Like you must with liquidity you find larger uptrends, larger downtrends. Also trade short expiration times with caution. You just yeah. So this was a downtrend. Yeah, my latest one. This one. See, the market now is behaving differently. I don't know what's happening, but I guess we should go up now. I was expecting a downtrend here. I was expecting to go down, but see, the strategy is telling me to go up, so I will go up. Um, yeah, so short expiration times like 1 and 5 minutes are risky. So while binary options often offer short expiration times, be careful with ultra short term trades as they can be extremely volatile and like hard to predict. So short expiry time requires precise timing and quick decision making. You don't have too much time to think and to analyze the market. So you must have a fast strategy that gives you fast predictions. You don't want a strategy that works on long-term markets and long-term trades and try to apply it to your binary option trading with shorter expiration times. So your goal is to avoid over trading in ultra short time frames and focus on high probability setups, even if it means waiting for longer for the right opportunity at the beginning, especially when you are starting. And once you feel comfortable enough to trade shorter expiration times, then you will start trading with 1 minute candlesticks. But at the beginning, just be comfortable with the longer ones. Oh, I don't know what. As I was saying, the market is starting to behave differently, and I guess I will open the last trade. The next one should go down. Yeah, the next one should go down. Let's go down. Yeah, this one is a win. This one a win. But so I guess this will be the last trade, guys. Please understand that I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. I'm not giving you any financial advices. These videos are just simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money with trading of binary options on IQ option or Codex or Pocket option or any platform that allows binary options. Educate yourself, do a lot of research, and keep practicing on demo account. Yeah, I guess that's it. So we already made enough money. See you later.